Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI IgM CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Here we can see the product name MAGLUMI IgM CLIA. The reference number of this kit is 130258002M. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic micro beads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 25.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml AB label, 26 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1 and 1 ml control 2. Here we can see the manufacturing address. This kit is manufacturing from China. So the overall of the origin of the kit is from China. Here we can see one instruction manual is there. Inside this kit we can store away from direct sunlight. This kit is maintained 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. This is the overall view of this product. Here we can see another angles. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI IgM, reference number 130258002M. This is the overall view of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. Here we can see there is instruction manuals and reagent solution is there. I am going to take this out one by one for your reference. After opening we can see the first product is the instruction manual. Here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, product name MAGLUMI IgM CLIA. The reference number of this kit is 130258002M, 100 tests per kit. Here we can see the indent use, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage and stability. This other instruction is there. I am going to take this I'm going to keep this away. The next one is a reagent seal. Here we can see IgM MAGLUMI reagent seal, 3 nozzles. And next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics. And next one is a control stickers for control 1 and control 2. Both are 4 nozzles. For control 1 4 nozzles, IgM control 1, IgM control 2 of 4 nozzles. And next one is a control solution packed in the cover. I am going to give this closed packed in cover. I am going to open this for your reference. After opening the cover we can see the control solutions. I am going to take this out. Here we can see MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, IgM CLIA control 1. Here we can see the MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, and next is MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, IgM CLIA control 2. Both controls are volume of 1 ml. I am going to keep this aside. And next one is a MAGLUMI reagent kit. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 25.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml AB label, 26 ml dilute. It is a front view. On top we can see it is sealed and covered. On back side we can see the solutions and reagents. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about a Snibe Diagnostics MAGLUMI IgM CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, a reagent seal of 3 nozzles, a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, control stickers for both control 1 and control 2, total of 8 nozzles, control solutions of volume of 1 ml, both are volume of 1 ml, a reagent kit, 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 25.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml AV label, 26 ml dilute. This is a overall view of this product. Thank you.